Hey everyone, it's me being Tori here with another garden video. I'm on my balcony working on a little project while my cat keeps a watchful eye on me. I'm deadheading my salvia to get rid of some sap-eating bugs and start fresh new salvia. One thing I've learned about gardening is that plants and flowers are incredibly resilient, and I can't wait for them to bounce back and look lovely again. In this video, I'll share some of my home remedies, so stick around. I have a very important question and would love to hear your response in the comments below. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's get this video started. Hello you guys, it's me being Tori. I'm out here in my garden and I want to first apologize if you hear the loud lawnmower in the background. You know, that's the city life, you guys. That's the city life. But I am out here in my garden. See my beautiful flowers. I need to work on a project. If you watched my last garden video, make sure you check it out. I talk about how I need to work on a project and I'm going to work on it. It's a little quick project, a little deadheading and getting rid of some bugs. So that's what I'm going to be working on. But before we begin, I just want to talk a little bit about what my channel is. So my channel has a lot of niches. I have garden videos, cat videos, and cooking videos. I kind of slowed down on the cooking videos a little bit, but I might get back into the program with that. I'm trying to like watch what I eat. Also, I have like these random videos of just me going places and stuff, and I do a lot of live. So if you really like these type of contents, please don't forget to click, like, comment, and subscribe. So continue watching. I might ask you a very important question somewhere in between the video, and I hope you get to answer it, and continue watching it. And I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big like, comment down below, and subscribe. So let's get on to the project that I'm going to be working on. So before we start deadheading and cleaning up this beautiful plant of salvia, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working with, okay? So a little bucket here just to collect all the dead stems and leaves and all of that. And you know, when I get ready to discard them, I'm just going to put them in the trash. I also have some scissors here. I'm not a professional, you guys. I just have some scissors that I keep outside. Don't worry, I don't bring these back inside. I just keep these scissors outside, and I'm gonna cut them as best as well. I also have some shearing scissors that I should look for and try to see if I can do some more cutting with that. So I have some fresh soil here that I'm just gonna put around the perimeter of the plants that are sprouting up. Now this is the soil that I got from Sam's Club. I'm not too much of a big fan of this soil. I usually get Miracle-Gro. This is like the Members Mark soil. I'm just not a big fan of it. I think it's, I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of it. But this is the soil I'm gonna use just to put around the perimeter of the, you know, the potential new salvia that's growing. Homemade remedies, you guys. I just have some soap and water to help kill the bugs, and some coffee grounds that my boyfriend's mother told me about. I also know that coffee grounds are good for fighting aphids as well, and I mentioned in my other video, I do not know particular the name or type of this bug, but I took a photo and Google told me they were like sap eating bugs and stuff, so I was like, okay. But anyways, they hurt my salvia, and now it's up to me as a gardener to take care of my plant. So I used these on my other plant and it seemed to be working really good. So we got some soap and water and some coffee grounds. These are like the cheapest coffee grounds I could find at Walmart, so I said let me just use them, and there we go. Okay you guys, if you guys can see, the project that I'm going to be working on is deadheading my salvia that I have out here. So you can see all the branches are pretty much dead, right? And I need to get rid of them because I was getting some sap eating bugs on here, and they pretty much they took control of a salvia that I have over here. The salvia that you see right here. So if you watch my last garden video, you see that I mentioned I deadheaded this, and I had a few potential sprouts growing, and look at them now. They are growing nice and tall. I had a little one right here, but it was easy to pluck, and so I just got rid of it. But I see another potential right here, so we have some more potentials growing right there. So I did hit it though. So now I'm gonna go and get rid of these flowers here. I'm gonna show you what I have. I got my gloves on. You know, just too fancy. I got my gloves on. Got my gloves on. I've got my scissors ready, and I got my bucket ready just to, you know, get rid of the leaves and stems to collect them in here. So let's start the cutting, you guys. A few garden seasons ago, I was growing this sweet alyssum. Oh, it was beautiful. I also got that from the Dollar Tree store too. And they got these bugs on them. Once again, I Googled, and Google said it was stinker bugs or stink bugs or something like that. And so I got rid of my sweet alyssum. The reason those stink bugs, they were crawling up my wall, and I live in an apartment, and I was like, this is gonna be like part of my responsibility. So I had to get rid of them like ASAP, and so I just got rid of my sweet alyssum. So here we go. I'm just cutting and cutting away. This is looking dead, so I'm just gonna get rid of this one right here. This stem is looking, you know, brown and dead, so I'm just gonna try to keep mainly the nice fresh green ones I see, and try to get rid of all the stems as possible. So this is my container balcony garden. So all the flowers you see in my videos is because I have a balcony garden. So all my flowers are grown in containers, and I just want to say that you too can grow flowers in containers. It's possible, and it makes your home just a little brighter, a little happier. So I hope this encourages you too, that, you know, I could start a container garden too, you know. And can you see, guys, this right here is one of the sap eating bugs, and I'm just trying to get rid of all like the dried up leaves and stems, and this one just came off, but you can see this bug right here. Maybe you guys can help me classify it. What type of bug do you think this is? What type of bug do you think this is? And yeah, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, you guys, so I did it. I didn't even lose any of my press-on nails. I mean, you know, they're home. I just did things at home, and they kept on going strong. But you guys, so this is how it looks now. I did my best to try to get rid of as much as possible. Check it out. Check it out. This is how much I got rid of, and I cleaned it up as well. So I was like, if the stem is breaking and easy to pull out, going in the trash. If the leaves are brown, I'm gonna pluck them and going in the trash. I was able to keep a few. If you guys can see, there's a lot here that I was able to keep. I see this little sprout right here that's not in the bunch. I kind of want to move it over, but I'm just gonna let nature take its course. So now I'm gonna get ready to put some fresh soil, because I digged up a lot of the soil and put it in, you know, to discard. I'm gonna put some of this fresh soil right here, and I'm just gonna put it around the plant just like this. Hey, you guys, I have some shorts, so I just make these little tags to help me when I'm growing. And it says 2024, and I really thought I was growing these salvias for a long time, but the tag says 2024. So, but I'm gonna keep the tag in there, and we're gonna put in some just more of this soil, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. There we go. So I got the fresh soil in there. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of these coffee grounds. Can you smell them? They smell good. So my question is, I have so many questions, but my question is, do you guys have a special home remedy for your garden, or any other home remedy that you like to use where you're just using stuff around the house to help with a project. So for this project, I'm going to use some coffee grounds to help get rid of the bugs. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit around. Now I have a cat and I have to be, I use a lot, you guys. I have a cat, so I have to be very, very careful when I put this in here, because my first pot, she stepped into, my first time putting the coffee grounds in here, that I did hit the pot, and she stepped inside the pot, and I saw her, so I was like, Cupcake, nope, we gotta go wash those paws. So I immediately took her and washed her paws, and she hasn't been going in a pot lately, but I have to keep an eye on her, so I gotta be careful with the coffee grounds. And I'm just gonna mix the coffee grounds around as well. This quick little project, and I think, look how sad this is. Let's give it some water, but I'm gonna use my home remedy soap and water. Am I gonna use it? Is it coming? I don't see any bugs in here, but I'm just gonna spray the petals. This is how it looks now. And I'll make sure I do a follow-up of how they're growing and everything. Okay, you guys, so that was it. I hope you guys like this little update of me doing my little project of, I promised myself that I want to keep these salvia. So that was my little update, cleaning up the salvia, and hopefully they will grow and be more luscious by maybe mid or late June. So I will keep you guys updated on how my salvias are doing. So make sure you click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I mean, it was a good day, a simple project. I kept my nails and I had a good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I had some little home remedies. And make sure you comment down below, do you have any home remedies that you love to use? So once again, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, and keep on growing. Bye.